Hey friends, it's Coach Tara, and one of my favorite sequences to do is downward facing dog to plank. And I'm also going to add some other mobility movements in as well. So you're going to take your plank position first, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, pulling your hands towards your feet towards your hands, so you really have a good abdominal connection. Then you're going to push your shoulders up into your ears, come into downward facing dog. From here, I'm going to step forward with my right foot on the outside of my right hand. Rotate up. Place the right hand back down. Go into a Cossack squat. And then rotate all the way around and do a really big hip stretch. And then back to plank. Then up to downward facing dog. To plank, take your left leg by your left hand, rotate, put the hand back down into the Cossack, keeping the left knee open, and then rotate, and a nice hip stretch. I really feel that on the top hip. And then back to plank and downward facing dog. So you can either step forward from downward facing dog here, or go back into plank and then step forward. This one's a little more challenging. Open, Cossack, rotate, and back to plank, and downward facing dog. And I'm just showing both ways. And here, one more time each side. Excellent. So always listen to your body and make it fun.